Back here is a special honor years in the making, and as News 4's Brian Shaw reports, a new memorial marks the countless sacrifices made to keep our country free.
This is very special. We've dedicated today to those families. We can't bring their children back, we can't bring their fathers back, we can't bring their brothers back, but we can memorialize them for generations to come.
And with that, after 5 years of planning and design and execution, the Veterans Memorial was completed on Monday. It's a replica of the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Names of the soldiers dating back to the Civil War were engraved on the tomb, and medals and personal mementos were sealed inside.
The 8 monuments you see here standing in formation are Medal of Honor recipients from the city of Niagara Falls. There are 7. 1 is blank.
I spoke with one veteran on what this monument means to him.
Well, it shows that someone cares about what we did while we were in the service. Her father is in Alfred Ligamari too. He's my cousin, and he was killed overseas during the service. So this means a lot to me, the fact that I came out alive, intact and everything else, and he was more a victim of war.
Behind me is the Wall of Honor. So far, 650 soldiers will have their names engraved on the walls, but any U.S. military soldier, no matter what time that they served, is eligible to have their name on the walls if they served with honors. For information on how to do so, visit our website, WIVB.com. Reporting in Niagara Falls, I'm Brian Shaw.